And if you're looking for interesting sounds that you can use for your games, whether you're working with Unreal Engine, Unity or Godot or movie project, then you might want to consider taking a look at the Audio Arcade from the folks at Humble Bundle. This bundle comes with 40 different items that can allow you start creating cool stuff, and they range from environment ambient, lo-fi music, gun sounds and packs, all the way down to sci-fi, electronic, magical sounds and so on. And right here we've downloaded a couple of these so we can actually show you guys what you get inside of them. So once you download any of the ones that we've talked about, say for example the Retro 2, once you double click and get in, you would notice that you have the 8-bit and the 16-bit. Of course there's a thank you and also a royalty free licensing link that you can find there. And for example, if we go into the 8-bit, you get to notice that we have environment, fight, machinery movement, pickup and also UI. And the same thing can also be said for the 16-bit, so it's also the same thing. So for example, if we go over to the pickup and we select any of this, we can actually preview. Let's press the spacebar to see that. And we can take a look at the key. And we can also see the healing. All of these are different sounds that you get. So to any of these packs that you get, you'd also notice they have even more stuff in here. Of course, we can also go in and take a look at the Legos RT. And if we press the spacebar, you can also preview that. And that sounds really cool. Now, for those who might be wondering, how is it possible that you can actually preview things when you press the spacebar? It is quite simple. There is an app called QuickLook, so you can install that and use it to preview documents, sound, video files, and also images. So for those who like to also get this, I'm going to put a link in the description. I'll take you over to the GitHub where you can get it for free, or you can simply go over to the Windows App Store where you can also get it for free. For anyone that is looking for this particular set of packs that they can work with, you can simply go ahead and check these things out. The value point for all of these, like for example, if you want to get this for Godot, probably you like to get the plugin for that, you want to get the plugin for Unreal Engine, you want to get the plugin for Roblox, the plugin for Unity, or possibly you like to get any of these. The value point, if you choose to purchase this one after the other, is 1,393. But right here with Humble Bundle, you'll be getting this for €25. And it is a steal because the folks at Ovani, they do create amazing sounds, and this collaboration with the folks at Humble Bundle is an amazing one. So depending on what you're trying to listen to, then you might want to consider looking at this. So for those who like to get this, then you can simply go over to the link in the description that will bring you right here where you can get it. And still speaking about things that you can get from the folks at Humble Bundle, if you simply go over to the software section, you would also notice that the Unreal and Unity bundle pack is right here. So if you're looking for amazing environments that you can work with, then you might want to consider taking a look at this, as this contains environments from cyberpunk to industrial all the way to medieval fortress. You can also find a good number of props and assets right here. And of course, for those who are looking for game development assets, there is also the low poly game development asset bundle, which is also available. So all of these are now here, and for those who like to grab them, then you can simply come through and check it out. And some more stuff for game creators are also available. And softwares are not the only things that you can find on Humble Bundle. If you're into books, or probably you're into comics, then you can simply go over to the book section where you can find more stuff. There are books for those who would like to become very seasoned in working with Linux, and for those who like to read more about Cerebrals, this is also right here. It's also worth mentioning that if you're following The Boys, that The Boys comic is right here, and this comes with a lot of them. So probably you like to know more about Huey, probably you like to know more about Mother's Milk. You can read up on these comics that are right here. There are also some cool stuff that has to do with Godzilla that is also available, which is an amazing comic book for those who are also into this series, or probably you would like to read up on this. So tons of stuff are available for those who like to get this. And like we mentioned earlier, all of these are at extremely discounted prices. So probably you might want to get the home how-to guides on how to do some homewares and also fix things in the home. Then this is also another interesting stuff. So maybe if you would like to learn how to get these things going and you need a book to guide when creating or working on any of these home projects, then this is also another one. All of these books will be costing about 871, but you can simply get it for 25 as well. So tons of things are right here for those who like to get this. So whether you're looking for books or softwares, or maybe you're looking for games, most probably you're into, any of these games that are right here, you can simply go ahead and get them. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you like something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And I'd like to see you guys in the next one. Peace.